Oh yeah, yeah. I'm your basic average girl, and I'm here to save the world.
Okay, I'm definitely sitting here looking crazy again for you guys. But hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ebony. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button at the bottom. Today I've got something a little different. And by different I mean I've got clip-in extensions. And as you can see, this is like a 4A, 4B texture, that's what it said. And I did lighten the ends and put purple dye on it, but I don't think that it's gonna match my hair exactly, but we'll make it work. And I do believe that this is pretty much my texture. I did bleach the ends, so as you can see, like the top is frizzy because that's like my texture, and then the bottom has kind of loosened just a bit and it's more defined, which I don't mind. I think it looks nice, but you know, that just a reminder that when you bleach extensions, you know, they will loosen up a little bit. I actually deep conditioned with a new deep conditioner. It was the, what is this? Renewing Argan Oil of Morocco deep conditioner, intense moisturizing treatment. Yeah, but this, is it gonna focus? Yeah. And you guys, my hair came out so soft, so yeah, I would recommend that. But let me show you what I mean by I don't think that this is gonna match my, well, the color is gonna match my hair exactly, but see, like the two colors, like this one came out more red, whereas my hair came out purple. But this does match my texture once I put gel in it. Now this came with, I believe it's 4 clip. Oh look, see this is real natural hair. Okay, so what I'm seeing right now is 1 with 4 clips, 2 with 3 clips, it's 3 with 2 clips, and 2 with 1 clip. So this really made my hair full, like so full. It made it look like I had like a real full head of hair, even though I do, but it was just like really big and bold. So I'm gonna go ahead and start sectioning off my hair, and I'm gonna show you which products I will be using to style. So today I'm gonna be using the Suave Professionals Shea Butter and Pure Coconut Oil Curl Defining Cream, along with my Wetline Extreme. I'm gonna try to do like a simpler wet look, so yeah. Along with that, I'm gonna be taking the one with 3 clips and putting it back there as soon as I finish like styling this part. Yes, princess. I'm gonna be taking my Denman brush and brushing my hair through. Now the only thing I find kind of challenging about putting the clip-ins in my hair when my hair is wet is that they slide right through my hair, but it's like once they dry, it's like naps unite, you know what I mean? So like it ain't going nowhere, but while it's wet, it will kind of slip out a little bit, so you have to be careful of that, like especially if you're combing the extensions in your hair. Okay, so I'm just gonna grab my spray bottle and spray down these extensions. Okay, so I'm putting product into this hair. Like, you guys, this hair is so thick, I'm not even gonna lie to you. Like, it's taking a lot of product to kind of cover it. And like, I've tried these before, like I said earlier in the video, and when I did, it took a lot of product then, so that's why I'm using the wet line this time versus like the Eco Styling, because I'm like, bro, I'm not about to keep putting hella product on these. It's not even my hair. Okay, so this is like the knockoff Felicia Leatherwood brush. When I say this is awesome, like look, The Denman brush, I really had to like kind of struggle with it, but look at this. Detangle with the Felicia Leatherwood knockoff brush and define with my Denman. Because this Denman is the truth, y'all. Look at that. Beautiful. I'm glad I have an assistant, you guys. Yeah, I have an assistant. You're my assistant, right? Yeah. Okay, cool. I ain't gotta pay one. Okay, so I'm gonna use my Felicia Leatherwood to kind of like blend the extensions with my hair. And this is what that's looking like. So here's, wait, where's my hair? Here's my, wait, no. It's getting hella confusing because, okay, I had to pull it to make sure. This is my hair. This is the extension. It's getting confusing because it's like so much like my texture. So I'm gonna brush it together. And normally, like, once I put product on my hair, I don't really like to brush my hair at all, but I'm trying to blend these two and like have them really blended. So I'm just gonna kind of just do it and let you guys watch, and if I need to do any like parts in a voiceover, I will, but you guys have eyes, you can see. So I'm just going to go ahead and just do it and let you watch.
I never made love. Is it, baby? I never made love. I had some issues. I never made love. 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 Is it, baby? I never made love. Love, 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 love. I never made love. I never made love. Love, 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 love. Is it, baby? I'll be back, be back, be back.
Girls ain't no good.
I'll be back, be back, be back. I'll be back, I'll be back, be back, be back.
Girls ain't no fun.
I'll be back, be back, be back. But I'll be back to you, baby. Is it, baby?
Okay, so what you're not about to do is sit here and tell me that this ain't my hair though. This is my hair. You guys, let me tell you something. My hair blended so well with these extensions. Literally, I did take what brush? That Felicia Leatherwood knockoff, or however you say it, knockoff brush, and brushed through it. But when I got to the top, I kind of got a little lazy. So what I did was the praying method, just to kind of blend everything through. But yeah, these are my results so far. Of course, I'm about to go sit underneath my hooded dryer, and once I sit underneath my hooded dryer, I will come back and show you guys the end result. Let me start off by saying these clip-in extensions have now become a part of my life. They've become a part of me. I'm gonna be like one of those girls that never take out their weave. Yeah, it's literally coming from my hair now. So I will never take them out ever. Until my hair grows down to this, I will never take these things out. Do you guys see this? Hold up, we gotta get up close and personal here, because I'm gonna need you guys to see this. Let me see if I can find one of my real curls. Oh, there she is. This is mine. As you can see, the curls are like down here. This is mine, coming from my scalp. Look how well my curls blend with these daggone curls. You can't even tell which ones are mine, which ones are the extensions. Yo, this is lit. This is lit. I'm gonna give you guys a 360 really quickly so you guys can see. I literally had to use my hood dryer for the top and use my diffuser for the bottom, and I would say it's about 99% dry. Like a few spots are damp, but look at how crunchy and hard this is. Like, it's very crunchy. I feel like it still looks exactly like it was wet, and look at that. Tell me if I pulled off the wet look again. Y'all, I literally cannot stop looking at myself because this literally looks like my hair. And I hope you guys got the gist of what I did. Basically, all I did was I put most of the extensions at the bottom so that at the top it can lay flat, as you can see. At least I hope the back is laying flat. Like, I really wish my hair was like this long when it was curly, because you couldn't tell me nothing, baby. You couldn't tell me nothing. Like, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video because this literally took me a long time to do. Let me see, did I leave anything out? Trying to make sure that I go over everything that I did. Oh, let me tell you a little bit about the swab. Like, you guys, this is my first time like really using it. Like, I've used it before, but I think I did like a failed was it a failed twist out? This curl defining cream, you guys, literally, when I tell you it gave me definition and softness, like, this is exactly what I needed it to do. Like, act as a kind of leave-in conditioner and a definer. So this was pretty awesome. And normally the wet line is like very harsh on my hair, and of course the crunch is there. Like, if you can look, you can see, like, it looks kind of crunchy, which it is very crunchy. But I feel like this kind of minimize the crunch a little bit, because normally it's like scary crunchy, like chips crunchy, but this time it's like a crunch that I can scrunch. But I'm not gonna scrunch it because I'm trying to maintain that little controlled like wet look because it's cute. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna show you the back one more time before I go. Oh, thank you.
Check. Check.
But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification so that you can see all my uploads.
Bye.
We'll see you in our next video.